Welcome to Holiday Destinations Tips Special Report Cruise Edition. I'm Hannah, your travel guide to the wonderful world of ocean voyages. Whether you're a seasoned cruiser or dreaming of your first maritime adventure, today's report will help you navigate the exciting world of cruise travel in 2025. First, let's talk destinations. Alaska continues to be a top choice for nature lovers, with its stunning glaciers and abundant wildlife. The Mediterranean remains a classic favorite, offering rich history and culture at every port. And for those seeking something different, expedition cruises to Antarctica and the Galapagos are trending this year. Now, how do you choose the right cruise for your travel style? Consider the size of the ship. Mega ships offer countless activities and dining options, perfect for families and those who love variety. Smaller ships provide a more intimate experience and can access ports that larger vessels can't reach. Think about what matters most to you. Are you looking for adventure activities, world-class dining, educational experiences, or simply relaxation? Luxury lines like Seabourn and Viking focus on personalized service and gourmet dining, while family-friendly options like Disney and Carnival offer endless entertainment for all ages. Packing for a cruise requires some strategy. Always pack a day bag with essentials like medication, swimwear, and a change of clothes, as your luggage might not arrive at your cabin immediately. Bring magnetic hooks. Most cabin walls are metal, making them perfect for organizing small items and creating extra storage space. Don't forget versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched. Evening wear has become more relaxed on most cruises, with smart casual being the norm. Though some luxury lines still offer formal nights for those who enjoy dressing up. To make the most of your ports of call, consider booking excursions in advance, especially for popular activities that might sell out. Or explore independently. Just be sure to note the all-aboard time and allow plenty of buffer to return to the ship. One insider tip: the best time to enjoy onboard amenities like pools and spas is often when the ship is in port, as most passengers will be off exploring. Finally, embrace the unexpected. Some of the best cruise experiences come from spontaneous moments. Joining a cooking class, watching the sunset from the top deck, or making new friends at dinner. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, there's a perfect cruise waiting for you. This is Hannah, wishing you smooth sailing on your next maritime adventure.